Magandang hapon po ng Sunday, March 10, 2024 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Sunday, March 10, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong March 10, 2024 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto for Sunday, March 10, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 49.5 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 jackpot price estimates is 43.5 million pesos for March 10, 2024, Sunday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Sunday, March 10, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.